tutorial for how to copy your project materials from one section to another. In Schoology, locate your project section by going to Courses and selecting the My Courses link. All right. Select the course section that you would like to copy. Note that it might be under the Archived tab. In this tutorial, I am going to copy materials from my demo project to my project template. So I'm going to click here. The first thing I'm going to do is select all of my materials and save it to my resources. Click on the Options button and hit Save Course to Resources. Save it in the Home collection in No Folder, and make sure it saves as a folder with resources. You can locate your copied materials by going to the Resources tab and selecting your personal and home resources. So I can see the demo project right here. Next, you're going to navigate to your course that is your new section. So again, you might see it right up here. My new section is here. And then I'm going to move the resources into this project section. To do that, click on Add Materials and select Import from Resources. Okay. Find the project title and click on it. And from here you can select which folders and materials you would like to move to your new section. You can select the box at the top to select all of your folders and resources and select Import. And it will show you all of the activities that are in each of those folders. Go ahead and click Import. Now all of your activities have been moved to your new project section. You can always go through and delete things that you don't need and edit things for your new project section in your new project.